The fourth type of fricative consonants is the post-alveolar fricatives, which are sh and j. They are also called palato-alveolar or alveopalatal. The phonemic description of sh and j. Sh is voiceless post-alveolar fricative, whereas j is voiced post-alveolar fricative. Sh is voiceless because when it is produced, the vocal cords do not vibrate, whereas j is voiced because when it is produced, the vocal cords do vibrate. Sh and j are post-alveolars because the tip of the tongue is close to the back of the alveolar ridge. Sh and j are also fricatives, which is the manner of articulation, because they are produced with friction. And this friction is caused by forcing airstream through a narrow passage, which is formed by bringing the tip of the tongue very close to the back of the alveolar ridge. What are the speech organs that are involved in the production or in the articulation of sh and j? Number one, the soft palate. The soft palate is raised, allowing air to escape through the mouth and not through the nose. 2. The tip of the tongue is close to the back of the alveolar ridge, forming a narrow passage, which causes friction when the airstream passes through it. Number 3. The lips are slightly rounded. What are the differences between sh and j? Sh is voiceless, whereas j is voiced. Sh is stronger than j. Sh is longer than j. Notice that sh is stronger than f and th, but weaker than s, because remember we said that s has the strongest friction. J does not occur initially in English. J is also not a common sound in English in final positions. The last fricative consonant is the glottal fricative. There is only one glottal fricative consonant in English, which is h. H is voiceless glottal fricative. Why is it voiceless? Because it is produced when the vocal cords are not vibrating. H is glottal because it is produced at the glottis, which is the opening between the vocal cords. H is fricative because it is produced with friction caused by forcing airstream through the narrow passage found between the vocal cords. When the glottal fricative h is being produced, the speech organs are usually in the following positions. 1. The soft palate is raised, allowing air to escape through the mouth and not the nose. Number 2. The tongue takes the position of the following vowel because h is always followed by a vowel. Number 3. the lips take the position of the following vowel. There are as many h sounds in English as there are vowels because h always occurs before a vowel. For example, he, who, high, hit, hat, whose, how. Remember that h does not occur finally.